Let's be completely honest, traditional budgeting sucks. We've all been told the exact same advice. Track every single penny, clip coupons, write down the cost of your morning coffee, and stop enjoying your life. So, you try it. You open a massive, overwhelming spreadsheet, you log your expenses for about 4 days, and then you give up. You feel guilty, you feel restricted, and you assume you're just bad with money. But here's the truth. You aren't lazy. You've just been handed a broken system. Welcome back to Finance Fluent, where we translate complex money into plain English so you can build real wealth. Today, we are exposing why old-school budgets are designed to fail and breaking down a simple 3-step framework that lets you save more money without giving up the things you love. Let's dive in. Traditional budgeting is built on the concept of restriction. It treats money the exact same way crash diets treat food. If you tell yourself you can never eat a slice of pizza again, what do you think about all day? Pizza. And eventually, you snap and eat the whole box. When your budget says you can never buy a coffee, go out with friends, or buy a nice shirt, it creates psychological fatigue. Tracking pennies doesn't change your long-term habits. It just makes you resent your finances. To build a system that actually lasts, you don't need more restriction. You need a structural blueprint. Enter the 50-30-20 rule. Popularized by financial experts and lawmakers, the 50-30-20 rule is a simple formula that takes your take-home pay, the money that actually hits your bank account after taxes, and divides it into 3 distinct buckets: needs, wants, and savings. No micromanaging pennies required. Let's break down how they work. First up is the 50% bucket, your needs. This is the non-negotiable stuff you must pay to survive. We are talking about rent or mortgage payments, basic utilities, groceries, insurance, and minimum debt payments. If your income is $2,000 a month, $1,000 goes here. If you find that your needs are costing way more than 50%, that is a massive warning sign that you are likely house poor or driving a car that is eating up too much of your income. Next is the bucket everyone loves to cut, but we are keeping, the 30% bucket for your wants. This is your lifestyle funding. Dining out, concerts, travel, gym memberships, and yes, even your daily latte. Most financial gurus tell you to destroy this category. We don't. The magic of the 50-30-20 rule is that as long as your other 2 buckets are taken care of, you are allowed to spend this 30% completely guilt-free. You don't have to feel bad about a weekend trip because the system has already accounted for it. Finally, the most important bucket for your future self, the 20% bucket for savings and wealth building. This money has 3 specific jobs: building that emergency fund firewall we talked about in video 1, aggressively paying down high-interest debt, and investing in index funds or retirement accounts. This 20% is what buys you your freedom later in life. It ensures that you aren't just working to pay off your past, but you're actively buying back your future. The secret to making this work isn't willpower, it's automation. Set up your bank account to automatically route 20% to your investments and 50% to your bills the day you get paid. Whatever is left over in your checking account is yours to play with. If you want to know exactly where to put that 20% savings bucket so it earns maximum interest, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because in our next video, we are breaking down high-yield savings accounts. Just a quick reminder, I'm helping you become finance fluent, not a licensed financial advisor, so always do your own research. Drop a comment below with your biggest budgeting struggle. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.